Alright, so this is the last time we're going to be in this green room, so the lighting will be better, the sound will be better, because next week we're moving back to campus. Now, as you remembered in my choosing my Yale dorm video, I pretty much got second to last pick in the housing draw.
I got the last number.
Hi, that's me again, and this takes us back to the present moment where, well, you'll find out in a bit.
No, not last, but 18 out of 20. I'm the 18th pick. Oh gosh, okay.
Alright, so they released the rankings, and before I was kind of freaking out because I got one of the last rankings, number 18 out of 20 for the singles.
Now, I don't want to relive that experience as it was very, very hectic and traumatic, so watch that video over here for the full experience. But long story short, I basically got my dorm, and I asked the senior what the dorm was like, so I would have a better idea of what it looked like because we weren't able to actually go inside of the dorm. As you can see, this dorm is a single bedroom at Yale, and personally, my color aesthetic that I was going for was green, blue, and maybe some gray. So what I did is that I essentially made a list of the dorm essentials that you need, or well, want, because I'm a reckless spender, and what we'll be looking for. We had decorations, so canvas paintings, posters, frames, a sign with my name, potentially, flags from China, Indonesia, America, playbills, a sausage chair for lounging, and this couch over here. Actually, we picked up that on Free and For Sale, this website, not a website, but this Facebook page for Yale students to basically grab a lot of things that people in the community are either selling or giving away, and usually selling for very, very cheap prices. Things always pop up by the minute, and we were able to successfully snag that one for very, very cheap, and I've been using it at my house in the meantime. It also extends into a bed, so.
What? Like, it's so comfy.
Pillows, a mattress topper, bed and pillow sheets, a comforter, carpet/rug, fairy lights, a shoe shelf on the door or an organizer of some sort, a laundry hamper. Yeah, I need that, a laundry hamper. An end table, a shelf, a caddy, adhesive hooks, pins, putty, tape, etc., a new blanket, a humidifier with essential oils, and a mirror. My tactic obviously is to live below my means and to save as much money as I can. So what I did is I went on the Free and For Sale website first to get anything that people were giving away for free or on a very, very low price. On that website, I was able to get that love seat sofa thing. I was able to get this AC that And although this doesn't necessarily pertain to my dorm room, I was able to get an AC for my apartment right now and a twin XL bed for my current housing situation for $20. Next thing, I just grabbed whatever I could for my brothers or friends. For example, I'm reusing adhesive tape and what does that say? I'm reusing putty and adhesive tape and all those things that you can use to hang up things on dorms. Now, my next step was to obviously list everything down on a spreadsheet and create a budget so that I wouldn't overspend. And the last thing would be for me to go on Amazon Prime, use Amazon Student Prime, free stuff, to go online and see whatever I could find and to put everything that I find that is cheap in the cart. And I would also use Honey, which is a web browser. As you know, I'm not sponsored by Honey. Actually, we're not at that level yet. But Amazon deals, Amazon Prime, and Honey help save a lot of money online. It's very convenient. But before we grab everything there, this is just a reference point. So worst case scenario, if I can't actually find these items in cheaper stores in real life, I would order it on Amazon as a last resort. This means that I would go to cheaper places like BJ's, Target, Costco, potentially Bed Bath & Beyond, Walmart, all these cheap places. And if there is literally nothing that I can find there for the next few weeks or months, I would order it on Amazon. And I already started the process, but guess what? None of that is happening at all. So I'm gonna break the fourth wall. This was supposed to be a shopping for my dorm video, but turns out basically because of coronavirus, the whole entire dorming situation at Yale got fucked up. For fall semester, only first years, juniors, and seniors can go back to campus. And for spring semester, only sophomores, juniors, and seniors can go back to campus. And although I had a single, and technically my dorm would be the same, all of my friends and everybody else's dorms got messed around. Due to social distancing, pretty much all of the juniors in select residential colleges, including mine, Pearson College, have to move to Old Campus, which is the place where we lived in our first year. And because I want to be close to my girlfriend and my friends, we all ended up getting an apartment together, moving off campus, and we are considered in residence off campus. Don't worry, it's still like a 10-minute walk to Pearson College, so still very close. So this isn't going to be a dorm video, this is going to be an apartment video, which makes things much more complicated. So yeah, it's actually August, I'm moving in next week, and for the past few months, we've been hunting down apartments, finding cheap places, and also gathering so many things for the apartments and figuring out things like utility fees, rent, electricity, Wi-Fi, everything like that. But this video is not about that, this video is about shopping for the apartment. So to break the fourth wall a bit, To break the fourth wall yet again, I actually went shopping yesterday for my apartment room and my apartment yesterday, and in a future video, in the next video, we'll be moving in and I'll be showing an apartment dorm tour thing at Yale University. It was definitely frustrating because I've been preparing for this dorm video for a while now. I even asked the senior, like I said, for emails of his room and took all these measurements and had it in color aesthetic, so I definitely have to adapt now. And I even got this twin XL comforter, this nice aesthetic looking blue and green comforter.
So it's like 1 a.m. in the morning, and I usually don't impulse buy, but I found this very cheap comforter that matches the aesthetic of navy blue and green, and it went down from like around $90 to 30 bucks. It's plaid, it's nice. I am stupid, but I think I'm gonna purchase it now. And even though I said I was gonna wait until I started to formally dorm shop, this seems like a good deal. I like it. I'm gonna give in to the temporary rush of dopamine. All right, I'm gonna sleep now.
But I won't be able to use it anyways because the beds at the apartment are full size and that is twin XL, so I wasted money. But don't worry, I didn't waste too much money. Okay, there's so many colors, there's so many. I had that list of dorm stuff, and yesterday I went and I got as many things as I can, and for the rest, I'll be ordering on Amazon. All right, good morning. We're gonna be going out shopping with my older brother and Yasi. We're gonna be social distancing. We're gonna be safe. We're gonna go to all the common cheap places because we don't got money like that. Target, BJ's, maybe Costco, Bed Bath & Beyond, potentially Walmart. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. We have a sexy man over here who's gonna help us out get a lot of good stuff.
I like turtles.
Oh, like I said, we have a list on a spreadsheet of things that we need to get. But once again, social distancing, wearing your masks. You gotta be safe out there, even when you are doing something fun like college shopping. So please stay safe out there, y'all. We picked up Yasi. Oh! There's Yasi. We're going to BJ's now. Oh, do it again, do it again. Hey! What do you have to say for the viewers?
I got you.
Oh!
That was definitely wrong.
Might need a new TV, I don't know. Oh! Fanny pack.
Well, we're here in BJ's shopping for our kitchen things.
And what did we find?
We found this set that has everything we need. 2 pans, a skillet, a pot, and another pot. A saucepan and another pot. So if we get this, we won't need to get anything else.
Personal library over here. Personal library.
See the sword? You can't record over here.
Oh, sorry. You have your handy dandy fanny pack. And I want the green tea bar soap, good for the environment, as my brother and girlfriend just told me. But I'm a bit conflicted between pink and green. Which one, Yasi?
Why are you obsessed with the colors? Look at the bump strip.
Green, my favorite color.
I was
Anyway.
about to offer.
So as you know how we Asians do it, you want to get one in the back, nice and clean. Shampoo. All right, so we got a lot of stuff here. It's gonna be pretty expensive, but it's fine because we're buying in bulk. So even though it'll be expensive now, it'll be able to save us many months, maybe a year in the future. So yeah. Some money on BJ's, but now we're at Bed Bath & Beyond, right, Yasi? Right.
BJ's for free?
BJ's for free. Bed & Beyond actually has nice kitchen stuff. A lot of kitchen stuff on sale. Nice place. Looking at stuff, it's been pretty successful so far. And yo, Patty, what are you looking?
Oh, I found what you were looking for.
What?
Remember? Oh, it's right here.
What happened? Oh, come on, can't video, bro. Come on. All right, so we finished. What do we do?
Bed Bath & Beyond.
Okay, we BJ's, Bed Bath & Beyond. Now we're at Milford Mall, Target. There's a lot of good stuff here. Let's go. So we just finished shopping at all the places. BJ's, yeah. BJ's, Bed Bath & Beyond. And what was the last place, Yasi? Target. So that's it for the dorm shopping for today. Everything else we're going to be ordering on Amazon because it's cheaper, more convenient, and they can ship it directly to the seatbelts on, directly to the apartment. So thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, what do we do?
Like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff, baby.
Yeah, baby. Last words, Yasi?
Subscribe.
Bye, y'all. Don't ask me how much, but I bought a lot of things for the house. A lot of things like plates and stuff and mason jars and food and things to clean myself. Yeah, very useful. And we also bought much more things on free and for sale, like I mentioned. They also have some stuff my apartment roommates. But for a future video, I'll keep you guys posted. I'll be ordering the rest of the things on Amazon. But please like, comment, subscribe, and click on the bell notification icon if you enjoyed. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.